Fix Forza Horizon 6 sign-in login error. Something went wrong on PC. Now step 1. Restart PC and Xbox app. Close Forza Horizon 6 completely. Exit Xbox app from system tray. Restart your PC. Open Xbox app again. Try signing in. Tab 2. Check internet connection. Make sure internet is stable. Restart your router. Disable VPN or proxy. Retry login. 3. Run Xbox app as administrator. Close Xbox app. Right-click Xbox app shortcut. Select Run as administrator. Try logging in again. Nat 4. Sign out and sign back into Microsoft account. Open Xbox app, click your profile icon, select Sign Out, Restart app, sign back in with correct Microsoft account. 5. Repair Xbox app, open Settings, go to Apps, Installed Apps, find Xbox app, click Advanced Options, select Repair, launch app again. 6. Reset Microsoft Store cache, press Windows R, type WS Reset, press Enter, wait for Microsoft Store to reopen, retry sign in. Now 7. Enable Xbox services. Press Windows R. Type services.msc. Find Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Networking Service. Set both to automatic. Start services if stopped. 8. Update Windows. Open Settings. Go to Windows Update. Click Check for Updates. Install all available updates. Restart PC. 9. Reinstall gaming services. Open PowerShell as administrator. Run get Apex package Microsoft.gaming services. Remove Apex package all users. Restart PC. Reinstall gaming services from Microsoft Store. Number shard 10. Reinstall Xbox app. Open settings. Apps. Uninstall Xbox app. Restart PC. Download Xbox app again from Microsoft Store. Sign in and launch game.